OTK machine, which is oscillating tangential knife. Right now you're seeing the DXF drawing of a drone packaging. So this is the AutoCAD drawing, which is being designed by the company. This is multi CNC software, which is made by SVP Laser Technologies. So now we will be importing this DXF file to cut on the machine. This is the machine, by the way. So we're just going to the multi CNC software and giving DXF over here. We are selecting the file and then saving the G code. And then we are giving these settings over here. It's mostly the feed rate and the depth of cut. So now we are changing the depth of cut if you want to. And we just press OK. So the file is generated, the G code file is generated. This is the G code. So this is going to be cut right now. This is the vacuum bed for the machine. As you can see, a lot of cuts have been made on this vacuum bed. This is the knife. This is the oscillating head. So this is the knife and it's going to oscillate. This knife oscillates at 3000 oscillations per minute. As you can see, the oscillation has started. The oscillation is done now. Now the vacuum pump has been started. Sheet gets clamped. The software, multi-CNC software, in which the cutting is going on. As you can see, the cutting is moving, the circle is moving here, and the G code is running over here. This is the multi-CNC software which runs the machine, and this is the machine which is doing the cutting of that drone packaging, which I have shown you the design for. So once this finishes, we will show you how it comes out on the machine, and the finishing also, the cutting finish. The machine also has a vacuum bed. So in the because of the vacuum bed, the sheet does not need to be clamped with a strap clamp. As you can see, the sheet is clamped just with the vacuum. And these are the vacuum hoses, and we have the vacuum pumps below. The vacuum pump can also be turned on and off from the computer, from the software itself. So the cutting is finished. The cutting is so fine that you cannot even see that the cutting has happened. See, I'll just give you an example. See, the cutting has been done here, and the cutting is so fine that you can't even see where the cutting has happened. This is the advantage of using the oscillating knife. So now this part has finished cutting. This part is finished now on the machine. The cutting is finished. So we'll be removing the part right now. As you can see, the cutting is so fine that you can't even see where the cutting has happened. Yeah. This is for the drone, packaging for the drone. This is how the cutting looks like, and will be used for the drone packaging, which we will show you later. Multiple layers are cut and then they're stacked on top of each other, and they are glued together to create the packaging for the drone. And this machine can cut up to 90 mm in thickness of EP foam, EVA foam, XLC foam, and other foams also.